Ka total mark kalong shispa andrupho but kawe question kasyongdor armak bandara pibakla minus 0.5 but na kasalbos kanthup ya ka language proficiency r potential question sophoma teaching aptitude rupoma life potential question reasoning ability rupoma life potential question balala kadon kanu kajing ya Tron naka result kin page naka teaching aptitude. Tes soba penkrep ba naka teaching aptitude. Lada ya ka result kin rai kin shim 30% naka entrance exam but 10% naka marksheet ka jong phi kelas BA BSc. Ya kijing tip bak hamnya phila ban page naka website kabang adap ai phi hapok ka description box ka link adap ai page binang tu sa check hapok ka website